Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This incomplete house in Lime or St. and North Coast is a great opportunity for the savvy investor or for the large family that wants to live close but not crowded. There is plenty of space for your backyard garden plus a swimming pool. Although partially complete, the major construction work is already done, and this allows the new owner to select the extra finishes they desire. Grab all of this deal while the getting's good. The land area is 10,644 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 14.5 million or US $94.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.